everyone, I'm Amit Goswami, a physics professor, consciousness researcher, and a quantum activist. I am here to invite you to a 4-day workshop on quantum activism in Buenos, April 12 through 15. What I want to do in this workshop is to introduce how quantum science is integrating science and spirituality, and more than that, it is showing us living a life which is consistent between thinking, living, and how to make a living. How to achieve happiness, meaning, and purpose in your life. The key is creativity, and that is the emphasis of the workshop. I hope you will come and join me. Thank you.